In the foothills of the San Bernardino National Forest, California, stands a residence designed to blend into the dramatic mountain terrain. The Wild Lilac House exists not as a striking object, but as an architectural form that understands the landscape in which it rests. Its remote location, surrounded by chaparral vegetation, makes the house feel like a natural part of the mountain ecosystem, not just a man-made structure. Programmatically, the main house covers 3,200 square feet, plus a minimalist 800 square foot pool house. While not large, both structures are designed with efficiency and spatial sensitivity, creating a spacious and flowing feel. The low, elongated volume of the building further enhances the sense of connection with the earth. One of the most distinctive elements of the Wild Lilac House is a series of thick walls that run east to west, following the topographic lines. These walls not only form a bold visual structure but also serve an important functional role, dividing public and private zones, while protecting the interior from the intense California sun. The spatial configuration created by these wall patterns gives each zone a unique character. Social spaces such as the living room, kitchen, and dining room open generously to the mountain views, framing the landscape like a living work of art. Conversely, bedrooms and private spaces are set back, shielded from direct light, yet connected to nature through thoughtful openings. Outside, the long swimming pool and pool house are positioned to follow the contours of the hill, creating a natural and organic relaxation space. Large sliding glass doors allow for a smooth transition between interior and exterior, making everyday activities seem constantly in contact with the mountain air and natural light. The materials used convey a soft, simple, yet elegant architectural language. Gray stucco and concrete provide boldness, while wood and glass create a warmer, more transparent balance. All materials were chosen to blend with the earth tones and textures of the surrounding vegetation, so the building never appears overbearing. Wild Lilac House is not just a residence, but an interpretation of how architecture can respond sensitively to nature. It invites its inhabitants to slow down, feel the breeze, listen to the light, and rediscover its calming simplicity. A home not only to be lived in, but to be experienced.